To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by removing the 2 screws and rubber cap on the back of your TomTom. Carefully open your TomTom using the tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Shift the upper portion of your TomTom to allow access to the 4 screws securing the motherboard. Remove the 4 screws securing the motherboard as shown. Gently pry out the motherboard. Disconnect the black plastic portion of the device. Disconnect the original battery. Pry out the original battery. If necessary, use a hairdryer to loosen the adhesive. Place a strip of double-sided tape in the battery compartment. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com onto the double-sided tape. Connect the new battery. Reconnect the black plastic portion of the device. Return the motherboard to its original position, as shown. Replace the 4 screws securing the motherboard. Gently snap the TomTom shut. Replace the 2 screws and rubber cap. Turn on your TomTom with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your TomTom should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, your source for batteries for your cell phone, PDA, MP3 player, laptop, and more. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.